I am tired of dropping my FireBoard. I've drawn it a couple of times and so far it survived, but I don't want to drop it anymore. So the good folks at HG-3D ICT printed up, let me get a shot of their barcode so you can check them out. 3D printed this mount, and look at this. Earth magnets, I guess, some kind of magnets that are fabulous. And customized with I'm retired Army. How about that? Very nice, very lightweight, sticks. Let me show you how it works. No more dropping my FireBoard. The magnets in this boy stick like glue. Look at this. That's not going anywhere. I can move it over here. I can get it out of my food prep area. I can move it on my Weber Smoky Mountain, on my Char-Griller 980. I gotta tell you, HG-3D ICT. These guys crushed it. Look at the fit. Can't even get it out. There you go. Fits like a glove. It's mobile. I can move it anywhere. It sticks to the very frozen 980. Doesn't fall off the back. Don't have to worry about knocking it on the ground. Pretty happy with this thing.